Zazzle's top 20 best-selling products for 2022. Zazzle's Marketplace. There are around 90 million products in Zazzle's Marketplace, based on my observations. Approximately 1,800,000 are bestsellers, so that's 2% of the products. I researched the bestsellers of all time. However, I was limited to the first 17 pages of search results. Based on that data, I formed this list. However, since I don't know the sales data concerning the individual products, I had to do some guesswork. Number 1, invitations. There are over 2,700,000 invitations in the marketplace. Weddings, baby bridal shower, and birthdays are the most popular themes. Number 2, business cards. There are over 1 million business cards in the marketplace. Popular themes are cosmetology, makeup, consulting, freelance work, occupation-based. Number 3, face masks. There are over 600,000 face masks in the marketplace, and popularity may follow a seasonal trend in the future, such as when cold and flu season comes up in the winter, you may see the popularity for face masks increase. Number 4, greeting cards. There are over 2,200,000 greeting cards in the marketplace. Popular themes are holiday, birthday, sympathy, and thank you. Popular designs are typography, photo, modern, and minimalist. Cards with the comic strip design seem to be popular also. Number 5, return address labels. There are 200,000 plus return address labels in the marketplace. Weddings, calligraphy, and watercolor are popular themes. Number 6, Christmas ornaments. There are over 1,200,000 Christmas ornaments in the marketplace. Popular themes are the first Christmas themes, such as a baby's first Christmas, new home, engagement, a first Christmas married. Other themes that are popular are weddings, Mr. and Mrs., and anniversaries. Number 7, coffee mugs. There are over 3,700,000 coffee mugs in the marketplace. Photo themes are very popular, especially when they are family specific. So photo themes featuring mom with maybe a photo or a collage of photos, dad, grandma, grandpa. And for different events like Mother's Day, Father's Day, the holidays, birthdays. Number 8, thank you cards. There are almost 400,000 thank you cards in the marketplace. Popular themes are weddings, birthdays, graduation, etc. Number 9, t-shirts. There are over 25 million t-shirts in the marketplace. So this is a very, very extremely competitive area. Popular themes for t-shirts are relationship, t-shirts for mother, like best mom ever with her photo. The same thing for father. You may see a Father's Day theme t-shirt or just something for dad's birthday with a photo and world's best dad. Grandparents, the same type of thing for grandparents. And, always including photos. They are very popular. Also, business logos are very popular, and witty quotes. So witty quotes that you may come up with. Those are very popular. Number 10, postcards. There are over 1,600,000 postcards in the marketplace. So travel postcards appears to be the most popular. So The vintage travel postcards that you will see with the colorful illustrations, or photo postcards of particular places are very popular. Number 11, stamps. There are over 6,400,000 stamps in the marketplace, and we're talking about the ink stamps, the black and white ink stamps with the fancy and professional looking script. Those are very popular in Zazzle's marketplace. Number 12, employee name badges. There are over 11,000 employee name badges in the marketplace. Retail, hospital, small business are very popular themes. Number 13, save the date cards. There are over 220,000 save the date cards in the marketplace. Couples photo theme and floral watercolor are very popular, so the most popular event for save the date cards in the marketplace are weddings, so anything wedding related. Number 14, luggage tags. There are over 350,000 luggage tags in the marketplace. And very popular things are personalized monogram initials. So you will see a solid color black background, let's say a black solid color background, and large monogram initials written in black or red, just something very eye-catching. Or you will see a luggage tag with the name written in very eye-catching, sometimes fancy or elegant font. Those are very popular. Number 15, RSVP cards. There are over 135,000 RSVP cards in the marketplace. Wedding RSVP are the most popular. And popular designs include watercolor, elegant black and white, and the calligraphy design. And you will also see RSVPs to other events such as retirement parties, um, those milestone type of birthday parties, maybe a fancy 21st birthday, 50th birthday, those type of parties, anniversaries, they're also popular. 16, pillows. There are almost 2 million pillows in the marketplace. And photo collage of family and pets are very popular design themes. So you will see lots of photo collages of family or photo collages of pets. 17, posters. There are over 3 million posters in the marketplace. Motivational, inspirational, welcome posters, such as the welcome posters that you will see for weddings, birthday parties, baby and bridal shower events. And you will also see something new that I've just noticed, a photo remembrance of loved ones for celebration of life or memorial services or funeral services. You will also see those as well. Number 18, car air fresheners. There are over 100,000 car air fresheners in the marketplace. Photos are very popular. So photos of family, friends, couples, pets, things with sentiment are very popular for car air fresheners. Number 19, keychains. There are over 1 million keychains in the marketplace, and there are a large variety of designs that are popular. So you will have photo keychains, cute animations like a cute picture of a heart or a cute drawing of a cat or a dog, nature themed keychains, occupation based, so something for a nurse or a teacher, personalized name keychains, inspirational quotes, etc. Number 20, photo magnets. There are 86,000 plus photo magnets in the marketplace. and photos of family, friends, pets, travel destinations. Romantic couples are very popular design themes. Themes with sentiment are very popular on Zazzle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you again.